Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use revolution, fillet, thickness, additive pipe, groove. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and create this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create a center line here with 300 millimeters of length and create this line here with 60 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select the polyline, click here in the midpoint, make a line here and make another line here, and go to dimension. This line has 300 millimeters and this one has 60 millimeters, okay? And now we will create this line here. This line has 45 millimeters of length and we will create this line here. The angle between this line and the center line is 20 degrees. Go to dimension, the distance here 45 millimeters and the angle here is 20 degrees. And select line, close this profile here. Okay, and leave the sketch. Go to Revolve, 360 degrees and press OK. And now we will create this fillet here. This fillet 60 millimeters of radius and the fillet here is 20 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here. The radius here is 60 millimeters and press OK. And go to fillet again, select this edge, the fillet here, 20 millimeters of radius and press OK. We made this one. And now we will shell this body, and the thickness of this body is 8 millimeters. So go to thickness, and here the thickness is 8 millimeters. And click here and select this face, the face that we will remove, and press OK. We made this. And now we will create this profile here. We have the dimensions here, okay? So the first thing that we'll make, we will select the front plane. So go to create, select the front plane, active the toggle section view, and go to external projection, select this edge here, and select this edge here, or this one, okay? And now we will create this line, and the distance between this line and this edge here is 70 millimeters. So select line, make a line here from the center. You can make one more project here, select this edge here. Okay, and select a line, make a line between the center point and this edge, and make another line here. Okay, and go to dimension. The distance between this line and this one is 70 millimeters. And the length of this line here is 30 millimeters. And now we will create a line here with 100 millimeters of length, and the angle between this line and this one is 135 degrees. A 100 millimeters of length, and go to dimension. The angle here is 135 degrees. And now we'll make this line here. The angle between this line and this one is 110 degrees. Select line, click here. Go to dimension, the angle here, 110 degrees. And here select line again, make a line between this line here and this one. This line must be collinear with this one, or you can select the parallel. Okay. And in this edge here, we have a fillet with 25 millimeters of radius, and this edge another fillet with 25 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this line and this one, this line and this one. Go to equal, select this arc and this arc here, and go to dimension. The radius here is 25 millimeters. Look that the lines lost some dimensions. So go to dimensions, select this line and this one, the angle here 135, and the angle here is 110 degrees. We made this profile, so leave the sketch. And now go to create a sketch and select the, let me remove this sketch here. We needed to select the right plane to create a new sketch here. I will rotate this a little bit. Active the toggle section view. And here go to external projection and select this point here. This point is a line from the other sketch, okay? And in this plane, we will create this profile. It is a rectangle, 30 by 10 millimeters. And in the corners, we have a fillet with 2 millimeters of radius. So go to centered rectangle, click here on this point, make a rectangle here, 30 by 10 millimeters. And here in the corners, create a fillet. This fillet has 2 millimeters of radius. And go to constraint, make this fillet equal with the same dimension. And the radius here is 2 millimeters. Okay. And leave the sketch. And now we will go to additive pipe. And here the select attachment, select the sketch tool and the object that is the path, select this line here and press OK. We made this, but look here inside we have this part here, so we will remove this. So to remove this, go to create a sketch and select the front plane, active the toggle section view, and here go to external projection and select this line here, this one, select this line here and this one, move this here, select this edge here, this edge and this edge here. And now select a line, make a line here from this point to this point here. This line here, let me cut here. Make this line or this point here horizontal with this point. So go to horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And select a line, make a line between these 2 points and make a line between these 2 points. And now select all these lines, this construction geometry here, and make this, remove the construction geometry. Let me select this one. Let me trim this line here. It's not possible to trim here, so we will remove this line and remove this line here. And select line, make a line between this point and this arc here. And make a line between this point and this arc. Let me see what is happening here. It is not horizontal with the midpoint, so go to horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint, and make this line a vertical line. We made this profile. Now leave the sketch and go to Revolve. But here is, sorry, it's not Revolve, it is Groove. The angle here, 360. We will cut here inside and press OK. Look inside, we removed this two part. And now we will make the fillet here. And the fillet, we have a fillet here with 2 millimeters. And the fillet here is 4 millimeters of radius, okay? So go to fillet and select this edge here. The radius here, 2 millimeters, and press OK. And go to fillet again and select this edge here. The radius here is 4 millimeters and press OK. We made this. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.